Okay. The forge area. Hard to see with the sunlight coming in. But, yeah, I had to buy a store-bought handle for this thing. So I don't have the right kind of lumber to make one at the moment. But that's okay. Just want to see if we can at least chop this. So, here it goes. Yes, it does. One piece there. The other piece landed there. And nice. No damage to the blade. Woohoo! Let's try this again. Let's grab another piece. And of course I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the phone. Now I don't know if it's going to split this one, but we'll find out. Yep. This little Camp axe thing is working out. Nice. And I did cut the handle down a little bit down at the base. Looks like a tomahawk type thing, but no. Made mostly for Camp axe type thing. Yeah, it didn't fit all the way down, but that's okay. If this breaks up here and cut it, reset it. A lot of it is because I eyed it wrong, trying to get the eyelet put in right, and it's just a smidge smaller than the actual handle. So like I said, if this breaks, I can cut it down, cut it in, maybe sand it down so it fits. Good example of that actually is I had that hammerhead come off this handle because, well, it was a cheap handle, well, cheap hammer, wasn't even pinned in, so I just used it for my 6-pound guy. Yeah, it's been modified a little bit, gives it the extra, you know, spread or whatever, but 6-pound hammer on a shorty. But yeah, this I guess you can call it a hatchet with an extra long handle to it, because there's my little camp hatchet, there's my East Wing. I love my East Wing. And then there's the regular axe, and then here's the one I made. Cuts it pretty damn easy. Anyways, yeah, there we go. You one of those folks out there looking for a experienced blacksmith, as a magician with hot metal and steel? Check out my friend Matab Damascus. He can make you some badass functional tools, pieces of art, anything you'd like, including badass hammers. Check him out.